Today we're visiting McKenna Boiler, located in Oceanside, California. McKenna Boiler provides industrial boilers to a diverse range of industries. Let's explore deeper to see what a technical supervisor does here at McKenna Boiler.
Hi, my name is Victor. I'm the Technical Supervisor here at McKenna Boiler. My job responsibilities are to provide technical support for our technicians out in the field, go over scheduling, and provide on-site job training for our technicians. The service department handles all the service calls that come in from our customers, and we work our scheduling to get the right technician on the job at a fast and speedy manner. So an average day for me is to come in and check with our dispatcher, see if any emergent service calls have come in. If so, then to try to reschedule our technicians, try and make sure we have somebody available to take care of the customer. After that, I'll check with the bosses, see if there's any special needs that need to get handled or anything that needs special attention. I'll check to see if the shop guys are needing any assistance with anything, and then I will come back and start working on scheduling. So with our trade, there's not really any specific trade school you can take. A mechanical or electrical background will really help out, but is not required. A college degree is not needed for this position. So basically all my training was on the job training. I had a mechanical background before I came into the trade and was introduced to the trade from a friend. The skills I use most in my daily job are electrical troubleshooting along with combustion. Some of the positions in my department are starting from lowest to highest would be coming in as a helper, just kind of learning the trade, figuring out if it's something you want to pursue, then you would advance to an apprentice position, and then ultimately ending your apprenticeship as a journeyman mechanic or technician. After that, you're looking at management positions such as technical supervisor. Some of the skills we're looking for are having good customer relations, also being aware of your surroundings and ensuring everybody's working in a safe manner. When we are hiring at McKenna Boiler, we're looking for people with a mechanical or electrical background, but we are also looking for people who are detail-oriented and excited to learn. The most challenging thing about my role is probably when emergency service calls come in. At that point, we usually have all our guys scheduled, so we are having to kind of figure out who's going to get finished first, closest to the job, and then ensuring the customer that we'll be getting there in a timely manner. The thing I like most about my job is helping technicians troubleshoot problems out in the field. Typically, I will get calls if they cannot figure it out, so it's up to me to work with them and resolve the problem. I like doing this mostly just because it's a challenge and nobody else is going to be able to figure out except me or somebody who has the knowledge that I have.